Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In this video, we bring to you an amazing shipping container family home in Porto Alegre, Brazil, designed by KS Arquitetos. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing modern container home. Welcome back. If you like our content and want to learn more about shipping container living, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button below. If you have a container project or a container rental you would like us to feature on our channel, kindly get in touch by posting in the comment section below. Or you can contact us on our website sheltermode.com. Without further ado, let's get started. The Container House RD was inspired by the love of metal structure by the house owner, who is a metallurgist by profession. Another major reason to build with shipping container was the fact that optimization of the work, both in time and ease of assembly processes, differs greatly from the traditional masonry and reinforced concrete construction. Conventionally, container homes are normally assembled in very rational proportions, side by side or stacked on top of each other due to the ease of handling irregular modules. However, in the Container House RD, the modules are stacked but rotated on different axes, promoting great balances and unusual moments. The inspiration for this arrangement by the homeowner is from an iconic image of a large ship full of containers all piled up in a disarray. This house is located in a hilly part of Porto Alegre, one of the highest quarters in the city. These mismatched container modules provide different angles of the landscape. The landscape unfolds before the huge windows of the living room oriented towards the conservation area next to the site, with the balanced and rotated volume of the master suite overlooking the Guaíba River and its unforgettable sunsets. These obliquely juxtaposed container modules offer different angles of the landscape. In addition to the orientation and location considerations, the rotated placements of the container modules was mismatched so that the house placement does not encroach on the perimeter, with a generous setback to ensure privacy from the neighbors despite the many openings that provide cross ventilation at all times. The containers are elevated above the ground, sitting on precast concrete structure. Because of the steep slope of the land, the main entrance to the house is accessed from downhill. The house has a half-ground floor to accommodate the garage and the workshop. Two container volumes are cantilevered downhill to create a covered entrance porch to the garage and to the house. An L-shaped black steel staircase leads to the main entrance of the house, which is also recessed inside two cantilevered container modules on the first floor level. In addition, the main entrance door of the residence is made with two red-painted original cargo container doors recycled from the modules. The main entrance door opens into a generous entrance lobby from which you access a home office and a cloakroom on the right and a big open-plan living space on the left. The living space occupies the entire two container modules sitting above the garage. On the extreme end of the living space, a light-filled lounge space well furnished with a beige corner sofa, some easy chairs, a custom coffee table and other accessories, plus a beautiful floor rug define the lounge space. The lounge seats are oriented around the wood-burning stove along a feature wall lined with brick to bring some warmth and contrast into the living room. The lounge area is fitted with adequately sized windows for maximum daylighting and natural ventilation. The open-plan living space features high ceilings fitted with recessed ceiling lights, a mini-split system mounted on the wall, and brand new hardwood floors which gives the living space a sleek, modern look. A lovely dining area with a nice dining table for 6 next to the chef's quality kitchen occupies the middle section of the living space. Above the dining area, the corrugated container ceiling is exposed and painted in a shade of gray to define the dining area. The full-height glass doors from the indoor dining space opens onto a spacious outdoor deck, ideal for lounging and outdoor dining. Next to the dining area is a bright, snazzy new galley kitchen, decked out with name brand appliances, a center island with a cooking range and food preparation space, under the counter and overhead storage spaces, plus breakfast stools for 3 on the kitchen island. The light-filled kitchen is fitted with full-height sliding glass doors which open onto a generous backyard space ideal for outdoor dining and plenty of entertainment activities. A custom steel and timber staircase from the entrance lobby leads onto the upper floor of the house, where the bedrooms of the house are located. The bedrooms have intimate Juliet balconies with different orientations, including the master bedroom which spills into the obliquely placed container soaring above the structure of the house. There is a generous roof terrace located above the living room containers accessed from the master bedroom. All bedrooms are fitted with sizable glass doors and windows for maximum daylighting and cross ventilation. Some of the corrugated container walls are also visible in the interior of the house and are painted light colors to create a sense of openness, awash with natural light from the sizable glass windows. Selected interior walls are lined with brick to introduce some contrast and warmth into the interior space. To achieve sufficient thermoacoustic quality, the interior walls and ceiling were covered with drywall, while the floor received vinyl flooring after leveling with OSB panels and leveling compound. To celebrate the industrial language of the design, the corrugated container walls are painted gray and are visible throughout the exterior. Brick facing features on one of the container walls facing the backyard, introducing a bit of contrast and helping to anchor the building onto the ground. The house has 2 spacious decks at the front and at the back, creating great spaces to enjoy warm evenings. All the bedrooms of the house are positioned at the high point of the site, capitalizing on the vantage views oriented in different directions. The clean, sleek cable railing makes the walkways and the decks safe to use while still offering unrestricted views of the surroundings. The green landscaping and the trees around the building helps to soften the industrial vibe of the design. A few trees, planted flowers, and broad strips of grassy lawns cover much of the land on the property. We love everything about this unique and amazing shipping container house. The obliquely placed container modules make this house unique and stand out from its landscape. Which part of this amazing container dwelling appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Welcome back. If you like our content and want to learn more about shipping container living, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button below. If you have a container project or a container rental you would like us to feature on our channel, kindly get in touch by posting in the comment section below. Or you can contact us on our website sheltermode.com. Without further ado, let's get started.